Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Ford Mondeo Titanium X. So this is our 57 plate Mondeo Titanium X. It's a bit of a rarity, this car. It's had one owner from new. It's only covered just over 32,000 miles from new. And it's got full main dealer history. 12 stamps in the book, all from the same dealership. Whilst in our care, we've given it a fresh MOT, a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection, changed the cambelt and water pump, recharged the aircon, and had the alloys refurbished to make this car look as good as it possibly can. There is the odd little mark on it here and there. It is, after all, a 57 plate car, but I'd say it's in very, very good condition for its age. Incredibly low mileage too. Inside you've got the heated leather and suede seats, steering wheel controls, cruise control, AM/FM radio, CD player, aux input. It's a 6-speed manual, 2-litre diesel. You can see it's all in really, really lovely condition in here. Very, very nice. You can see the mileage just down there too. Plenty of legroom in the back. As always with these Mondeos, they're very, very practical cars. Great all-rounders. It's a gorgeous colour, this car, as well. Stands out really nicely. Lovely big boot there too. Very, very practical motor. Super low mileage. One owner from new. Excellent service history. Refurbished alloys. As I say, the odd tiny little mark on it here and there, but I think it's in really, really good condition for the age. Rare motor. You don't tend to find these that have done such low mileage in such good condition with one owner from new and great history. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.